Hi, Mari McWilliam from Harcourts Williams, and here are my top 5 home presentation tips. Number 5, paint. When you paint, keep it neutral and use a flat sheen or a matte finish paint. If you're like me and you love colour, you can always add colour with accessories like cushions, artwork, rugs and specific furniture pieces. But keep your walls neutral, then they can be used as a canvas to dress the home up accordingly. Number 4, mirrors. Add mirrors to reflect light into living spaces and to lift dark rooms. This helps add the perception of space and light to any room. Number 3, lighting. Update globes and consider adding lamps to inject more light, and make sure you use high voltage bulbs to get the best results. Lighting can work really well in conjunction with adding mirrors, so choose wisely to brighten up your living spaces. Also make sure that your curtain tracks and blinds work well. If there are any outside obstructions to windows like overgrown bushes or trees, trim them back to allow more light into the living space. Number 2, clean, clean, clean. A clean home is a well-loved and maintained home in the buyer's eyes. And number 1 is declutter and depersonalise. Get rid of the junk to open up rooms and tidy surfaces. Remove personal photos and belongings to create a space that the buyers can see themselves in. Of course, the buyer wants to see how the space will work for them, so keep it decluttered and neutral and the buyer will respond. So remember these tips when presenting your home for sale, and if you'd like any further advice, give me a call on 0408 385 577.